This is one of the windows of another neighbor. They busted into this place, broke into the kitchen.
They collected their phones.
They also collected their phones here. You can look at this is the kitchen door broken all over. Look at what people are passing through. And somebody is saying that nothing is happening. They even came in. They came into the house. As I'm walking up the house, is on video. I want you to understand that this is evil. They came right inside the house. This is the ceiling where they broke into. This is what humanity to man. Inhumanity to man, this is what happened. Look at it. What were they looking for here? And the governor said he didn't send any army. This is right in a place in Obama. Look at the ceiling of this, our brother. They came in and scattered everything, ransacked everywhere. Look at pieces of this on the ground. I want the authorities to take note and see what has happened. I am in one of our brothers right now to Boso. This is Jeremiah Fire reporting. The governor has been claiming that he didn't send anybody, but this is what happened at Oboso early this morning, and this is bullet shot in a car in one of the compounds. This is exactly the same bullet appellage that was used at the Lekki shooting. And the question is this the way we are going to kill our future leaders and waste them and unarmed innocent citizens right in their own home? This is the battery of the car that was pierced through this bullet. The question now is, supposing that the people or the person that owns this vehicle was in the vehicle, what would have happened? This is wickedness. This is wickedness. This is the bullet. This is the piercing mouth of the bullet. Have you seen it? I want everybody to understand that this is wickedness, and we cannot continue. We cannot continue. Ndi Igbo must do something about this. I'm talking to Nyanwodo because this video is going to him. I'm talking to Professor Onwa. I am talking to Professor Ben and all of them, and all our representatives at the UN. I am talking to our senators, Sekure Madu, Abaribe, every one of you. If there is nothing tangible done, when the youth will rise, I am Jeremiah Hellfire, you all know who is talking. When the anger rises, there will be no turning back. We cannot continue to lose our youth like chicken. It is better there's an open confrontation than there is a systematic dissemination and we call it peaceful settlement. It is not possible. God bless us.